How to get Wingstop promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in Wingstop promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Wingstop. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, coupon follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $5 off, save with code, 30% off, $100 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So I have selected $100 off. So here is the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at wingstop.com. You will be directed to the official website of Wingstop. Once you have selected the items that you want to order, confirm your order. In the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also, make sure to check out this website, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Wingstop. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get a working promo code for Wingstop. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.